2D HMBC data processing JEOL Delta software. Open data file, click here, find your 2D data. Number 1 file is unprocessed data file. If you have a number 2, it indicates in ppm, that is processed data file. Open number 1 file. You can pin this so that this window will be activated. Open number 1 file, keep it side. HMBC data will open an ND processor window, that is unprocessed data. Here you can see a spectra and you can toggle between the processing list by clicking the top toolbar last. This is to processing list. Now open processed 1D proton and processed carbon spectra. Here proton number 3 file is a processed data. Keep it down. Open processed carbon spectra. Next, in ND processor window, you can toggle between spectra and processing list. In processing list, indirect dimension, there is the apodization function sine bell. So you can reduce this shift -60 to -28 so that the broadening will be reduces in indirect dimension. You can see that this broadening is reduced. Then click on 2D viewer on top toolbar, right side second option, click. You can close ND processor window. In 2D viewer, first step of processing is referencing. Go to tools, geometry tools, copy ruler reference. In copy rule reference, source is, click source and click on processed carbon spectra. Then target, click target on 2D HMBC data. Now we have selected a carbon, it will be in the indirect dimension. So click Y one time. Similarly, for direct dimension, source is proton. Click source, then click on 1D proton spectra. And target again, click target and click on HMBC spectra. Then you can click X one time so that it references direct dimension spectra. Then close copy ruler reference. Next step of HMBC data processing is loading high resolution 1D data on top of 2D datasets. So in HMBC data, go to top toolbar layout, click 1D, load 1D, then click load X projection. So here X projection is proton. Load 1D, load X projection, click on proton spectra. Then again layout, load 1D, click Y projection, click load Y projection, then click on carbon spectra. Here you can hide this overview. Layout, show overview, you can hide. Similarly, you can hide the rulers, show 1D ruler. And if you want to remove this integral, click Alt I, and if you have peak values, then Alt P. In 2D spectra, zoom the area which you want to make the print. Adjusting the contours, you can hold a control, then in the mouse scroll it so that intensity of the contour still varies. Otherwise, you can give a right click of the mouse. It gives a list. In that, take the level tools. In level tool, you can adjust the bias so that contours height will be adjusted. Then once this adjustment done, adjust the projection. Then you can take a print. Click a PDF. So in PDF, There are two options, general and delta. Delta, you can add the print parameters in processing list, and even different colors and black and whites can be chosen. Then select the printer and give a print. It will print. Then finally click on save button. See, this processed 2D data will be saved with the second version number. You can see in this case HMBC 1.3.jdf. So data is saved. Now 2D HMBC data processing is done.